Hello there. I'm Andrew, and in today's session, we're diving into the common issue of oversized images in emails and the solutions at hand. First off, what exactly do we mean by oversized image? It's pretty straightforward. Any image whose dimensions exceed the display size within the email. Essentially, the email client loads a larger image and then resizes it to fit. This can be problematic for several reasons. Let's talk about why images should be properly sized. Loading time. Large images can be slow to load, especially on slower connections. This can lead to frustration and a poor experience for the user. Bandwidth costs. Every pixel counts when you're paying for bandwidth. Oversized images can quickly ramp up your costs, particularly if they're hosted on your servers. Environmental impact. There's also the environmental angle. Larger images require more energy to load, which can unnecessarily increase your brand's carbon footprint. Now, let's explore how Campaign Cleaner can detect these oversized images and seamlessly correct them with our Resize and Host tool. For our case study, we've chosen an email campaign from the Cheesecake Factory. Delicious visuals, right? But they're a bit too heavy on the data. Heading into the campaign analysis and viewing the image summary section, we find there are 11 oversized images. That's every single image they've used. Clicking on the count, we're taken to a comparison of the actual size versus the display size. Notice the discrepancy? And if you hover over the image URL, you'll get a preview and the direct link. This image here is a prime example. It's significantly larger than necessary for its place in the email. The quick fix? Click on Resize and Host. This prompts you to move the images to our CDN, where they will be automatically resized to the appropriate dimensions. The red resize icon indicates an oversized image, and by hovering over it, you get the full details. Let's select all images to move to our CDN and hit Update. The images are being resized and moved to our CDN in the background. It's done. Now let's run a new clean campaign. This will redo the analysis with the new image links and sizes that just took place. Now let's look at our new results. They show no more oversized issues. Revisiting Resize and Host, we see the icons have turned green, a clear indicator that our images are now optimized for email display. Looking back at the email, can you spot any differences? Nope, neither can I. But the delivery performance will undoubtedly be better, ensuring a smooth experience for your audience. To wrap up, dealing with oversized images is crucial because they can bog down delivery speeds and negatively affect the user experience. By resizing and hosting them, Campaign Cleaner automatically transfers your images to our ultra-fast CDN, powered by Cloudflare, and updates all the HTML links for you, streamlining your email campaign's performance.